Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use add-ons in Google Docs. So let's begin the video. First, open your document in Google Docs and make sure you are signed in your Google account. Now click Extensions from the top menu. Then click on Add-ons and click Get Add-ons. The Google Workspace Marketplace will open. In the search bar, you can type the add-ons you want, or you can browse through the available add-ons here. Click on the one you want to install. Now click Install. Select your email. Once you are done, your add-ons will be installed. After the installation is complete, return to your document. Now click Extension again and then choose the add-on you installed. Sometimes you will find the add-ons here. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.